Welcome to Career Karma Tutorials. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how to print a value without a new line in Python. Traditionally, when you're using a print statement in Python, a new line character is inserted at the end of the print statement. To illustrate this, we have an example of two print statements. The first print statement prints out "Hello there" to the console, and the second prints out "It is a great day." Now, when we run our code, these will both appear on separate lines. Let's run our code. You can see that "Hello there" and "It's a great day" are indeed printed on separate lines. But sometimes we may want to print without a new line. Now, we can do that in Python by specifying an end parameter with our print statement. Now, we're going to uncomment out our example code, which uses an end statement. And in this code, we specify the end parameter, the end equals, and this here is the character that we want our print statement to end on. In this case, we've specified no character, which means that there will be nothing added at the end of our print statement. So there'll be no new line character after the line "Hello there." Let's run our code to see what happens. So you can see that our first two statements are printed on the same line, but our second two statements are not. And this is because after "Hello there" we specified the end parameter. Now notice that there is no space between these two statements, so the exclamation mark and "it", there's no space between them. And that's because the end parameter here, we've specified no character, so no space is automatically added. Now suppose we wanted to add in a space. We could do so by just changing our end character and adding in a space. And if we run our code again, you can see a space has in fact appeared between our two statements. Now you can add anything in here, so we could make this "It's Tuesday", and we're adding again a space at the end. And if we run this code, you can see that "Hello there" and then "It's Tuesday" and then "It is a great day" is printed to the console. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to experiment with our code, you can view it on Replit. The link will be in the full-length article and the video description below. Thank you for watching.